This is seat 3 of event 212, swimming in lane 0, Ibarra Inishi is aquatic, lane 1, Osman Macordawa swim club, lane 2, Victor Inishi is aquatic, lane 3, Garcia Chito Rivera swim club, lane 5, Milas, and Lip Club Suski, lane 6, Patrick Christian, lane 7, Brian Inishi is aquatic, lane 8, Nana Corey, lane 9, Rafael Inishi is aquatic.
Lagi.